Hey everyone, Shutterloop is here with another update, one which will actually make your product workflows a lot smoother, more visual, and way more connected. Let's jump in and take a look. First, let's look at the product backlog and its execution improvements. The backlog toolbar got more cleaned up here. All the secondary filters like owners, status, versions, and columns are now grouped into a single filter button here so that there's less clutter, but you still have the full control. Next is the add work item button. As you can see here, it's more visible now, making it faster for you to create new tasks. And the most useful update, the backlog now has the list and the board view so that you can switch between structured and visual views depending on how you prefer to work. Now, if we open the detail page of an epic, there's an update here as well. Inside the Children tab, you can now switch to a board view with the list view. So instead of managing the child items in a list, you can organize them visually in a Kanban style layout without leaving the page. This makes execution tracking much easier while still staying inside the same context. Now, let's look at the strategy board updates. While this is a part of the strategy layer, the board view experience starts from opportunities. So let's begin from there. Here, for the Kanban board view, you can switch between the list and the board view using this toggle. So whether you prefer a structured list or the visual Kanban flow, you can now between them move them instantly. Filters like owner, status, and version are also quicker to access, making it easier to navigate and focus on what matters. Now, where this gets really powerful is how everything connects. If we open a quick view or a detail page of an opportunity, you can now link it directly to the parent objective using this dropdown. So every opportunity is clearly tied back to the strategic goal. And this same structure follows across the strategy board. You can link items across levels from the objectives all the way down to the experiments. And each item carries its parent context with it. So instead of disconnected pieces, you can clearly see how strategy flows into execution. And the best part is this flows both ways. Whether you're starting from the high level objective or looking at an individual opportunity, you can always trace it back and understand the full context. Moving on to solutions, they now support the parent assignment too. You can link a solution to either an objective or an opportunity directly from the quick view or the detailed view. Every solution has a bigger picture and it's not just sitting there in isolation. You also get a board view here plus a cleaner detail layout with better structure. And now, experiments. Experiments also support a full three-level hierarchy. From a single experiment, you can now assign a parent solution, a parent opportunity, and a parent objective. So you get the complete chain from experiment all the way up to strategy in one place. That means no more guessing why something exists. The full context is always visible. So, overall, this update is really about making everything more visual, more connected, and easier to manage across the product workflow. If you're using Shorter Loop, this is definitely going to make a noticeable difference.